To enable and use voice typing in POCO M8 Pro 5G, we're going to start by opening settings on our device. Next step is to scroll all the way down, click on additional settings and go to languages and input. Click on manage keyboards and then select Gboard. Next step is to scroll down until we find the voice typing. Make sure that this option is active and then we can start to use it. So we need to pop open our keyboard and then make sure that you have proper language input selected. So we're gonna go for English. From here, as you can see, there's also no option to start voice typing. I don't have the strip with it. So also we'll need to go back to our keyboard if you don't see it and select the preferences, where inside we'll need to find the suggestion strip, but it's not in the preferences, it's in text correction right here. So now when this option is active, we should be able to see it. As you can see it's right here. So click on this microphone, make sure to allow any permissions that will pop up, and after that we'll be able to start as voice typing. So let's finish it and start again. Hello, hello, hello. Does it work? Yes, it works fine. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.